In order to solve this differential equation, we must divide by x to get it into standard form. dy over dx. We're dividing all terms by x, as I said. Now that we have this, we can see our p is equivalent to 2 over x, which means our e to the integral of p of x, e to the integral of 2 over x dx. Integrate it, e to the 2 natural log of x. This is equivalent to e to the natural log of x squared. Remember, e to the natural log is 1. We get an integrating factor of simply x squared. Multiply each of the terms of the differential equation by the integrating factor. That's the next step. So I'm doing that right here. We can see that some terms end up canceling. So if you have the same thing on the top and the same thing on the bottom, then you can cancel. Okay, now we know we're going to be using integration by parts, which is a concept in